Hi, we can see in this video how to create an entity in JPA in Spring Boot. So let's start. First create package on infrastructure, and second one is model, and third one is service. So it is a fixed structure of the create application for presentation layer, service layer, and repository layer. In an infrastructure layer, we create another package is here, entity. Inside the entity, we create a table entity, create an employee entity. For that, one annotation, that is all know internally JPA to that is a name of table. So here name is practice employee. Now why we can use this iterate table? Because of this employee first character is E, so this is different and that is also different. So this iterate table is mapped this class is a table name. So we see which field is exist in employee table. So three field have in a employee table. So here we can first of all ID, which is auto incremented. So long and ID, and this ID auto incremented. So we can here set generated value and its identity is unique. And second one is employee name. For that iterate column annotation we can use, and name is give employee name here, and its data type is string. And third one is salary. Now we can see which data type double, so we can here set a double. So one question also arise, double is refer class we can use because of salary has a null value allow. So if we use primitive data types, then it not allow null value. So if you wrapper class use, then it allow null value. So we can successfully created one entity. For that we can need to create a setter getter method also. Generate and setter getter method for all parameters. So one entity is created by us, so that's complete for our site. Now next step is in Spring Boot application we can manipulate and execute CRUD operation, delete, update, insert and select. Then it is used it is not directly we can modify. For that we can need to create a repository interface. So now we can create one interface repository implements employee and its unique identity long, and iterate repository. When we mark this repository annotation is internally managed in a DAO layer in application. So our configuration for entity and entity repository completed, and now we can perform any operation for insert, update and delete, another searching. So we can still say it's working, it's properly integrated, properly created. For that we can install and see if no any issue, date successfully created. So we can also once overview how to create entity table name at the rate and table, and auto increment id at the rate id use, and generated value for auto incremented, and employee name, salary. And also we can specify is nullable or not. Nullables we can say yes, it's nullable. It also allow in when we perform the update and delete, update and insert statement. If we define here false, then null value is not accept. So that's it, how to create an entity and a JPA. So that's it. We can also once we can see it's working. Yeah, that's it.